Hi everyone. It's a group discussions. It's presented by our MBA, first MBA A and B section students from Graduation College of Arts and Science. In this group discussions, we are going to discuss about the topic test of hypothesis. So what are the content of test of hypothesis? We deeply discussed from the topic. First I call our students Shaukash. Start from the population. Yes, Shaukash.
My name is Akash. Our topic name is population. Population means the scientists set of objective and set of huge numbers. Populations finite and infinite according to the elements. Population is size capital N.
Yes, correct.
Right. A sample is the part from the population is called a sample. Process of sample is called sampling.
As per he said that about the population, in the population parameters, the mean is mu and the size is n. The standard deviation is sigma. The sigma is derived from the Greek letters.
She was right. As we know, this sample is just a part of population, and the mean of sample is x bar, and its standard deviation is s, where these two factors together bring statistics.
Yes, from that point, standard error is nothing but standard deviation of the statistics in the measurement.
Good.
Okay, sir.
So from the standard error, we go to what is the precision. Yes.
As he is correct, precision is nothing reciprocal of standard error.
Yes, good. So already we have this. What is populations? What is its mean parameter and statistics? Everything we discussed now. So next we go to another part from the deviations. So what is these all conclusions? From that we conclude the next part of the hypothesis, test of hypothesis. This is a very another analyzing topic. So I start from it. Yes.
Testing hypothesis means sample information have made some decisions about the populations. That decisions have some assumptions. That assumption is called as statistical hypothesis and the testing hypothesis.
Very good. So from the test of hypothesis, we go to the another part. Yes.
Right now, this test of hypothesis is basically of two types, and one is null hypothesis. It will be denoted by H0, and the other is alternate, which will be by H1. And null hypothesis is nothing but there will be no significant difference between the observed value and the expected value.
Yes, absolutely correct. Yes, the next one is from the hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. What's the next part?
Critical.
Yes, it is critical region. Yes, what is critical region?
Critical region is sum of data which is rejected by the null hypothesis. That is simply called as critical region.
Yes, critical region. So data, or how many data are rejected from the null hypothesis? It is critical region.
Absolutely.
Suppose if it is accepted, yes.
As critical value. So critical value of the region acceptance is a critical value.
Yes, good. It is a critical. From the accepted value from the critical region is a critical value.
Critical value.
So from that we go to what is significance value. Yes.
The value of critical region is accepted. Value of critical region is a process of critical region is calculated and level of 1% and 2%, 5%.
Yes, good. So what are the regions accepted from that? And we have some of the levels. How many levels? 3 levels. So level 1 is 1%, level 2 is 2%, level 3 is 5%. Yes, is correct. And the final stage we go to what is the error and its types. Yes.
Error is a standard deviation of the population is called an error. The error has been divided into two. They are type 1 error and type 2 error.
Yes, good. Standard deviation of the statistics is a standard error. There are two kinds of standard error. One is type 1 error, another is type 2 error. Yes, what is type 1 error?
So if H0 null hypothesis is true, but in case we reject means it is the type 1 error.
Yes, good. So what is a type 2 error?
If the null hypothesis is false and we accept it, it is type 2.
Yes. Very good, students. In this group discussion, we got some of the conclusions of what is population, what is parameter, and what is statistics. And from that, we have what is test of hypothesis. Before that, what is precision and standard error, and what is the test of hypothesis, whether it is null hypothesis or alternative hypothesis. And finally, we go to what is significance, level of significance and the critical regions, and the type 1 error, type 2 error. So these are all very, very important factor to calculate the hypothesis levels. If you decide some of the hypothesis test, these contents are very, very important. So it's a smart answer to our students to this group discussions. So thank you to each and everyone.